Yet another anti-Israel resolution now enforced on U.S. campuses. Student groups at the University of California Berkeley Law School adopting a decision to exclude Zionist speakers and organizations from appearing at their school. But far from quietly accepting this decision, the International Legal Forum and the Florida-based LSN law offices filing a first-of-its-kind suit. Joining me with more is Mayor of Bal-Harbour, Florida, attorney and partner with LSN Law, Gabe Groissman. Hi, Gabriel. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Can you briefly break down the argument at the heart of your suit?
Sure. The Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 in the United States says that no person in the United States on the ground of their race, color, or national origin shall be excluded from participation in any program that receives federal funding. That was later expanded to include ethnic groups and such as the Jewish community and ethnic characteristics. What the groups there did is they say by saying that no one that holds any Zionist beliefs can participate as speakers in their programs is essentially saying that no Jews can participate in their programs. Now we know that Zionism is a core characteristic of Judaism, and they're trying to get around the discrimination laws by instead of saying Jews, saying Zionists, but we know what they mean. We know the effect that it's having, and it's having a tremendous effect on students on campus. You're seeing images on the screen right now from university campuses. It's like that and worse. And it's our responsibility to stand up for those students, and hopefully the United States Department of Education will do just that.
Gabriel, why now? And how has the school responded so far?
So we just filed the complaint. We waited a few months. These bylaws passed in August. The university started by responding, saying that, we're unhappy with this, but it's only 9 student groups, which is really incredible for them to say. They wouldn't say it for any other group. It wouldn't say that only nine groups are racist or discriminatory, but the other 100 aren't. So don't worry, that's unacceptable. There was a groundswell from the Jewish community and the community at large in California. We were waiting to see if they were going to do the right thing. They didn't. So the answer was now is the time. There hasn't really been a response from the university yet. We expect one very soon, and we look forward to seeing them really come to their senses.
And what actually separates this suit from other filings in opposition to anti-Zionist and anti-Israel resolutions?
Yeah, this one's slightly different. By filing a Title VI suit, there have been others before. No one has filed anything against the University of California Berkeley because of the strategy taken by the students there. So, the answer is that we have to fight every fight. We have to, it's our obligation to pull the levers that the United States law provides to protect our students. We can't sit idly by while this is happening, and if not now, when?
Have you yourself filed similar suits against other schools too?
Yeah, I've been involved in many lawsuits, usually behind the scenes. What's interesting about Title VI is that anyone has standing. Anyone can file a complaint when they see an injustice with the United States Department of Education, Office of Human Rights. So it's a little bit different where we are the complainants ourselves, myself and Arsen Ostrovsky from the International Legal Forum.
So this resolution you're fighting is at U.C Berkeley Law School, and you're in Florida. How did you get involved?
I've been involved in fighting for Jewish rights and for the Jewish community all over the country and the world for many years. And this is what happens in California certainly affects us here in Florida, and it affects us all over the country. The plague of anti-Semitism is spreading across this country, across university campuses, and not only university campuses. And it's all our responsibilities to stand up.
Do you think these groups coming into the universities, do they make such a big difference in coming and speaking about Zionism, about Israel?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, we have to be part of the discussion. Remember that the whole point of even this action is that universities have to have what we call all-comers policies, where anybody can come through the door and share their ideas. Our ideas need to be shared too. We can't shy away from tough discourse, from tough questions. We need to be part of the discussion. We know that the Zionist endeavor and the Jewish people are something that is worth fighting for. It's who we are, who I am from a personal perspective, but also it's important for society at large, and we have to be part of those discussions.
Gabriel, you're doing such an important job. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you for having me.